This is our presentation of simple machines.
I'm Amelia and I will be talking about an inclined plane, lever, and screw.
I'm Michaela and I will be talking about wheel and axle, wedge, and a pulley.
Let's start. An inclined plane is a flat surface set at an angle to help raise or lower heavy objects. The force required to move an object up the incline is less than the weight being raised, discounting friction. The steeper the slope or incline, the more nearly the required force approaches the actual weight. 3 examples of an inclined plane are slide, ramp, and zipper. And here are some examples of an inclined plane: a slide and ramp.
Next is a wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is a type of simple machine. A simple machine is a machine that makes our lives easier. A wheel and axle is something that rolls or twists around. Also, a wheel and axle is a wheel attached to a smaller axle so that these two parts rotate together, in which a force is transferred from one to the other. Some examples of a wheel and axle are car tires, bicycles, Ferris wheels, electric fan, rotary phone, screwdriver, drill, wheelbarrow, doorknob, and more. Here are some examples of a wheel and axle: a wheel and a doorknob.
Next is a lever. A lever is a simple machine made of a rigid beam and a fulcrum. The effort and load are applied to either end of the beam. The fulcrum is the point on which the beam pivots. When an effort is applied to one end of a lever, a load is applied to the other end of the lever. 3 examples of a lever are wheelbarrow, nail clipper, and bottle openers. And some examples of a lever are scissors and seesaw.
Next is a wedge. A wedge is another type of simple machine. A wedge is a triangular shape. When you use a wedge with force, it can cut the object you use it against. A wedge is sharp and can basically cut and or stop an object from moving. Some examples of a wedge are door stopper, axe, scissors, the sharper edge, and knives, and more. This is my example of a wedge: an axe and a door stopper.
Next is a screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder or cone to hold materials together or lift them. Screws are used in lots of things like furniture, tables, and jars, and lots of stuff in your kitchen. Here are 3 examples of a screw: lid jars, light bulbs, and even a screw itself. Some examples of a screw: a light bulb and a screw.
Last but not least is a pulley. A pulley is another type of simple machine. A pulley is a machine to help pull something heavy or big up. A pulley includes a rope to pull the thing or object, or expand something like a flagpole. An example of pulleys are flagpole, cranes, blinds, and more. Here's my example of a flagpole and a window blind. We have a little song for you guys.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Simple machines are simple to use, and some simple machines are wheel and axle,
Inclined plane,
wedge,
lever,
and a pulley.
and screw.
Simple machines are simple to use at work
School,
and at your house. That was our song about simple machines. Yeah!